In this video, I will compare the Intel Core i5-13420H and Intel Core i5-12450H, highlighting their differences, and then provide a conclusion to help you determine which one is the better choice. Both of these processors are from Intel, but they come from different generations and have different architectures. So let's examine their variances. The Core i5-13420H was released 1 year after the release of the Core i5-12450H. Therefore, the Core i5-13420H might feature better processor architecture and technology due to its more recent release. Both of these processors have 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. Additionally, both processors feature 8 performance threads and 4 efficiency threads. If we examine the base clock frequency, the Intel Core i5-13420H operates at 2.1 GHz, whereas the Core i5-12450H runs at 2 GHz. Additionally, the boost clock frequency of the Intel Core i5-13420H reaches 4.6 GHz, while that of the Core i5-12450H is 4.4 GHz. With higher base and boost clock frequencies, the Core i5-13420H is expected to perform well under both normal and heavy CPU loads. Regarding cache size, the Core i5-13420H notably possesses a larger L2 cache size. A larger cache size aids in faster data access and reduced latency. Moreover, memory support for the Core i5-13420H extends to 96 GB, whereas the Core i5-12450H supports up to 64 GB. Both processors support DDR4, DDR5, LPDDR4, and LPDDR5 RAM. However, in terms of frequency, the Core i5-13420H supports higher frequency RAM modules compared to the Core i5-12450H. Specifically, the Core i5-13420H offers DDR5 with a frequency of 5200 MHz, a feature absent in the Core i5-12450H. Both of them support integrated graphics, but the boost frequency of the graphics for the Intel Core i5-13420H exceeds that of the Core i5-12450H by 200 MHz. Consequently, for graphical tasks, the Core i5-12450H performs better. Neither of them supports ECC, making them unsuitable for critical systems such as workstations and servers. Regarding PCI, the Core i5-13420H supports PCI version 5, while the Core i5-12450H supports PCI version 4. Thus, the 13420H processor adopts the latest PCI version. Both processors support up to 28 PCI lanes. Both processors can tolerate temperatures of up to 100 degrees Celsius. The TDP of both processors is configurable, ranging from 35 watts to 45 watts. As the 13420H is a newer processor, laptops equipped with it might be slightly more expensive. In most benchmarks, the Core i5-13420H outperforms than other. Choose for the 13420H for top-tier performance in demanding games and heavily threaded programming tasks, thanks to its newer architecture and potentially higher clock speeds. Consider the 12450H for a balanced performance and price, suitable for handling most modern games at high settings and excelling in various programming tasks. Laptops with this processor may offer a more affordable option. This much for today. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.